stay student. Okay, maths fair notebook you have to take out. Now we will do question number C on page number 66. Question number C in maths fair notebook. Start from a new page. Now you can start from the same page also. If you have a space in the same page, you can start from the same page, or you may start from a new page. It's all up to you. Okay. Question number C you have to write down. Is 9 a factor of any of write this. So you have to tell 9 is a factor of this or number or not. Suppose I'm telling you, you have to find out 9 is a factor of 18 or not. Tell me yes or no. 9 is a factor of 18 or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Why 9 is a factor
Ma'am,
of
because
18?
ma'am, 9 to the 18, ma'am, 18, ma'am, 18, ma'am, 9 come, ma'am, the 18 come in table of 9.
18 comes in the table of 9, and when we divide 9 to the 18, we will get 0. So yes, 9
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
factor of 18. Okay, you can say 9 is a factor of 25. Is it true or not?
No, ma'am.
It is not true because it is not divisible by 25 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so what we are going to do now? So what we will do? A little bit longer number. मैंने आपको दे दिया 108. So you have to check whether 108 is divisible by 9 or not. How will you check? Will you divide the whole number 908?
No, ma'am.
No, divisible. Yes, what's up? Yes, what's up?
Ma'am,
All the digits and then divide it. If divided by 9, then it
In
comes.
short, you can say you have to check the divisibility test of 9. Okay? And others can also answer. Keep your mics on so that all you may also answer. Okay? So first question is, it's given 108. I'm not going to give you 108. I'm going to give you a little bit tough question. 2, 234.
And we have to show divisibility rule also.
Yes, obviously. So first one I'm doing, second one you have to do yourself.
my first one is so easy, too easy.
See you.
Wait, don't write sum of digits. No need to write sum of digits. So if 9 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, that means 9 is divisible by 9, sorry. 9 is divisible by 9, therefore 2, 3, 4 is divisible by 9. By also equal. See, 2, 3, 4 we have added them. 9 is coming. So 9 is divisible by 9. Yes. Therefore 234 is also divisible by 9. So 234 is a factor or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
It's
a factor of 9.
Yes, ma'am.
I am drawing the middle line here. You can also draw if you use half of the page, you can draw the middle line over there and do the second question there. And you have to do the second question yourself. Okay, second question yourself you have to do. Do it yourself, the second question. It's 319. I'm not going to give you easy questions. In your book, it is very easy. 56 is given. 56 is very easy. So I'm not going to give you that. Beta 319 is a 519. Sorry. 519. So from the same page or from a new page, you can start question number D. Take the numbers which are divisible by 2. Take the numbers which are divisible by 2. Now, I will give you a number of questions and you have to take only those which are divisible by 2. Okay, Kushag, you have done it correct. Good, very nice. But be quick next time, Kushag. It should not take much
Okay,
time. Write question 1 as 3, 0, 300. Not write 1. Do not write 1. 300. 2, 2, 1. 1, 1, 6, 55. Now, instead of writing tick beta, rub this tick. Don't write tick here. Write circle. Rub it and do it circle.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have sent.
Instead of writing tick, write circle. Write all these numbers first of all. Now circle all the numbers which
the first one? Ma'am, I have done.
circle the numbers.
written the first?
Circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. Circle the numbers. You have to put a circle where the numbers are divisible by 2.
I have done.
Circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. Please don't send it now. Okay. Abhi, I'll give you another question and you can send it all together. Oh, Apurva and Anshuman, they have sent so late. Okay, Anshuman, it is good. Apurva also. Yes, Apurva. Nice. Okay, so thing is, circle the numbers which are divisible by 2. So for divisibility of 2, what do you check? What do you check in the divisibility of 2?
Ma'am, last digit should be even.
So check last digit. Check the last digit in every one of them and circle the even numbers. Okay, that means they are divisible by 2. Or under this you can also write last digit should be even. Under this you can write.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes. I'm writing with black pen now. That means you have to write this. Under this, as soon as this line ends, you just write this.
Ma'am, written.
Good, very good. Okay. So what you are going to do, tell me what are those numbers which are divisible by 2?
Ma'am, 300 and 100. Wait.
300. Wait for a minute.
I have done.
300. Then it is even or odd? This one is even or odd? Odd. This one is even or odd? Even. 0 to 468. 55. This is even or odd? Odd.
Odd.
108. 8 is even or odd?
Yeah, even.
Circle this out. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Lakshita, do you want to say something? Beta, Lakshita, your voice is not audible. You can just type.
Sir.
Now, question number E. Do not send it on WhatsApp. Now, write question number.
Then we have to
Ha, beta.
we have to make a line like this.
Draw the ending line. This is ending line. Leave one line, draw one line, and leave one line again and write question D. This is ending line is to make your work neat and clean. Okay. So, write question number D here. No, question not D. This should be E. Sorry. Question number E. So may I rub this question D? Everyone has done. If somebody has not done D, question D, raise your hand. Or you can speak also that I have not done. Please don't rub question D. Shall I rub question D? Okay, I'm rubbing question D now. I'm writing question E here itself. And I don't. Okay, write question. I'm writing question E here. Instead of writing there, I'm writing here. Devansh Rai, please switch off your mic. For each of the given numbers, write if it is divisible. Write down this question quickly. For each of the given numbers, write if it is divisible by 5 or both by 5 and 10. You have to tell if a number is given to you, it is divisible by 5 or not. Or it is divisible by 5 also and 10 also. That means you have to check the divisibility of 5 and divisibility of 10. Okay. So divide your page in 2 equal parts. 1, 2 we will do here, 3, 4 afterwards. After completing first one, you can write 3 here and 4 there in front of it. Okay, so I'm giving you one example how to do it. Suppose the question is, let me take one question, 75. Okay. So you will, first of all, you will write down last digit. In 5 divisibility as well as 10's divisibility, in 5's divisibility as well as 10's divisibility, we always check the last digit. So in both of them, we are going to check the last digit. Okay. So last digit is common in both. So we are checking the last digit. Last digit is 5. So if it is 5, so you will write it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5 only. Who is this? It is divisible by 5 only. It is not divisible by 10. See the last digit, what it is coming, 5 or 0? It is coming 5. It is not coming 0. That means
Yes.
it is not divisible by 10. Okay, so you will write it is not divisible by 10. You can use a short form now, divisible by 10. Okay, rest of the numbers I am giving to you. You have to do it yourself. Do it yourself. There are 4 parts of this question. First one is 75, second one is 100, third one is 551, and fourth one is 95.
Ma'am, after doing, we have to post this work on
Yes,
group.
yes. This one you have to post.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
So,
have done.
wait, sir. So, I am going, the next period is mine only. Soon after this period, I'll keep the answers ready for you. You will once check it yourself, as well as you will send me on WhatsApp also. Before the next period, you are going to send me the answers on WhatsApp. And I'll keep the answers ready for you as well. Whatever the mistake is, I will show you from here. Okay. So in next recording or the next class, I am going to show you the answers of these. The next period is soon after this. That is the second period. It will start at